Hello, Bloody Dreams 41 here. Okay, so I know I'm used to making slideshows and art videos, but I thought this was really cool and I wanted to share it. So me and my big brother went to an abandoned house up in a rural area. It was burnt down and abandoned. And we went in to get a bunch of cool stuff because there were books and stuff around, so I got a couple books back from the 1950s. And we found some cool stuff. There was this big locked box, and we got it open because it was like broken and stuff. But we found a bunch of files on like mental patients from mental wards, and it's pretty cool. Like they're talking about electroshock therapy and like really cool stuff. It's really epic. There's like the coolest things in here. Like they've got data on people, and like, yeah, general psychiatric ward of the VA hospital on November 29th, 1984. Opiate abuse, chronic heavy depression, methadone. He has been injected with methadone. He's been injected with methadone intravenously at very high doses. Smoking marijuana, whatever, and abusing diaphragm. Oh, this is so cool. I'm keeping this one out because I want to read this one. 5 acre of land. Property. Local rug factory. Satisfied. Sacrifice. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. There's like, ooh, what's this? Is there a student discount? Please include the comment. Thank you. I'm pretty sure this dude was like a medical student at a mental ward, and he was like doing tests on his patients. Like, he's got results from like electric tests and psychiatry and like drug testing and brain surgery. Hypnosis? Drugs? Yeah, here's some stuff on electroshock therapy. Patient R217, electric shock therapy, voltage 250, awake. Died after drug-induced coma. Cool. And then there's all these notes where he wrote down information about his patients. Insomniacs, psychopaths, psychiatric rat screening. Rat dies of hypothermia sometime before 30 days. Hypopathology, however, be normal. Hypopathology. Awake. Patient A, awake, low voltage, random, heartbeat random and fast. B, drowsy, 8 to 12 CPS, alpha waves. Stage 3 to 7, voltage, theta waves. Stage 2, sleep spindles and spine. I can't read that. Cycling. Chronotherapy. Spinal tap? What is that? Like, we found a lot of papers. Like, this is just the coolest thing ever. I'm like reading through all these papers, trying to figure out who this guy was. The last name is Stain. That's it. That's all I got. And he died in 1937. And apparently, well, not 1937. He was born in 1937. His last name is Stain, and he died in 1983. Yeah, 1983. But he's got all these files on like mental ward patients, and rat testing and electroshock therapy. I mean, like, this is all the files I have on mental ward patients and like electroshock therapy. It's the coolest thing I've ever seen. So if you have any clue on what this is about, or have any idea what I'm talking about, or have just any cool stories, like where you found some cool stuff at abandoned houses or anything, just hit me up in the comments. Well, peace. Have a good day.